Students, in this today we will see the epoxides. What are the epoxides? These are also cyclic ring structures of ethers. These are also cyclic ring structures of ethers, or these are the organic compounds whose molecule their content three-membered ring. They contain three-membered ring. They are bonded between the oxygen and two carbons. Oxygen and two carbons. They having the general formula CCO. These are the known as epoxides. These are the organic compounds whose molecules contains three-membered ring. Three-membered ring that involve an oxygen atom with two carbon atoms. And these are also known as cyclic ethers. These are also known as cyclic ethers. And compared to the general ethers, these having the more reactive property because of these larger rings, and due to the association due to the rings present in the structure, they have more stability compared to the common ethers. If you see the example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are attached to 2 oxygens, means 4 dioxane. It is 4 dioxane. In the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4 attached to single oxygen, means 1, 2, 3, 4 means tetrahedro. This is furan. Tetrahedrofuran. Next, we will go for the nomenclature. How these epoxides are named, both in common and as well as in IUPAC or pregnant. Generally, these are named by numbering of carbon chains. Numbering these carbon chains with two carbon atoms to which oxygen is attached. Two carbon atoms with which oxygen is attached. On this basis, these epoxides are named. And for this, a prefix word is added as a epoxy. In this, suppose if we see the example, this is CH2CH2O. Here number of it is known as ethylene oxide. In commonly it is known as ethylene oxide, or you can say 1, 2 prefix is epoxy ethane. 1, 2 epoxy ethane. In the same way, in this structure, CH3 CH2O. Here 1, 2, 3 means propylene oxide. In here 1, 2 and 3 means 1, 2 prefix is added as a epoxy propane. In the same way, CH3 CH3O. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 means for 2 and 3 there is a linkage of oxygen. So 2, 3 epoxy in straight chain there are 4 carbons means but. 2, 3 epoxy butane. In the same way, if we consider for cyclic structures, here see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it is penta cyclic pentane, or on 1 and 2 there is a oxygen linked to the 2 carbon, so it is 1, 2 epoxy cyclopentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 1, 2 epoxy cyclopentane. In the same way, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means hexane. It is a cyclic in structure. So cyclohexane. Here prefix is added as a epoxy. 1, 2 epoxy cyclohexane. This is the nomenclature of these epoxides.